Hello, everyone. Welcome back to LWLA Learning while listening anytime. I am Sarah.
And I am Tom. Welcome to our cozy English corner. We are very happy to practice English with you today.
Today, our topic is very simple but very important. We are talking about our daily routines. We want to answer the question, what do you do every day?
That is a great topic, Sarah. Talking about every day helps us learn basic words. Let's start from the beginning of the day. Sarah, what time do you wake up?
I wake up early, Tom. Every day I wake up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock too. We wake up at the same time, but I do not get out of bed immediately. I stay in bed for 10 minutes.
Oh, I understand. I get out of bed right away. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up.
That is a good habit. I wash my face too. Then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning and every night.
Yes, brushing your teeth is very important. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of hot coffee. I love coffee in the morning. Do you drink coffee, Tom?
No, I do not drink coffee. I drink warm water or tea. In the morning, I prefer green tea. It feels very calm.
Tea is very nice, too. What do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and toast. It is a simple breakfast, but it gives me energy. What do you eat?
I usually eat fruit and yogurt. Sometimes I eat oatmeal. I like a light breakfast. After breakfast, I get dressed. I put on my clothes for the day.
I get dressed after breakfast too. I choose simple clothes. Then I check my bag. I make sure I have my keys and my phone. Then I leave the house. What time do you leave your house, Sarah?
I leave my house at 8:15 a.m. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to work. The bus journey is 20 minutes. What about you? How do you go to work?
I do not take the bus. I work from home on my computer, so I do not leave the house in the morning. I just sit at my desk at 8:30 a.m.
Oh, that is very convenient. You do not have to travel. For me, I arrive at my office at 8:45 a.m. I sit at my desk and open my computer. I start my work at 9 o'clock.
What do you do at work?
I read emails. I write reports. I talk to my coworkers. We work hard every morning.
I work hard too. I have meetings on my computer. I speak with people from different places. It is busy, but it is interesting.
At 1 o'clock, we have a break. We eat lunch. Tom, what do you usually eat for lunch?
Since I work from home, I make a fresh salad or a sandwich. I also sit away from my computer. I rest my eyes. What do you do for lunch?
I eat lunch with my friends from work. We go to a small cafe near the office. We eat soup and rice. We talk and laugh. It is a very happy time.
That sounds wonderful. Eating with friends is very good for relaxation. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock in the evening. I take the bus back home. When I travel on the bus, I like to listen to music. Music helps me relax after a long day.
I finish work at 5 o'clock too. I turn off my computer. Then I change my clothes. I like to go outside in the evening. I go for a short walk in the park.
A walk in the park is a beautiful routine. The fresh air is great. When do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7 o'clock. I usually cook dinner. I cook pasta, vegetables, or rice. Cooking is my hobby. It is like a game for me. Do you cook dinner, Sarah?
Sometimes I cook, but sometimes I buy food on my way home. I eat dinner at 7:30 p.m. After dinner, I do the dishes. I clean the kitchen.
Cleaning the kitchen is a good routine. A clean house is a happy house. What do you do after dinner? How do you relax?
After dinner, I sit on the sofa. I watch a video on YouTube or watch a movie. Sometimes I read a book. Reading books makes me feel peaceful. What do you do in the evening?
I listen to quiet music. Sometimes I study a new language. Learning something new every day is very good for the brain.
Wow, that is amazing, Tom. Learning every day is wonderful. Our listeners are doing that right now. They are learning English with us today.
Yes, you are doing a fantastic job. Listening to this podcast is part of your daily routine now.
Exactly. After I relax, it is time for bed. At 10 o'clock, I take a warm shower. Then I put on my pajamas. I get into bed at 10:30 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Before I sleep, I close my eyes and think about my day. I think about 3 good things from my day. It helps me sleep with a happy heart.
That is a beautiful habit, Tom. I want to try that tonight. Then we sleep. And the next day, the routine starts again.
Yes, routines give us a stable life, but every day is also a new opportunity.
Now we want to ask our friends listening to us, what do you do every day? What time do you wake up? Do you drink coffee or tea?
Please write your answers in the comments below. Use simple English sentences. We love reading your answers.
Thank you so much for practicing your English listening with us today on LWLA Learning while listening anytime. Remember, practicing a little bit every day makes your English strong. You are doing great.
Don't give up. Be proud of your hard work today. Have a beautiful, calm day and see you in our next chat.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.